In this video, I'll guide you on how to send money from ABN AMRO to PayPal in. First, open your PayPal account and go to the Wallet section. Normally, you would click Link a bank account and enter your ABN AMRO IBAN to connect it. PayPal then sends to small deposits for verification, and once you confirm those amounts, your bank is linked. However, many ABN AMRO users face issues when trying to link directly, as PayPal doesn't always accept this bank. So here's the workaround. Instead of linking the bank, link your ABN AMRO debit or credit card to PayPal. This lets you add funds or make payments directly without needing a full bank connection. You can send euros from ABN AMRO to Wise, then move the money into PayPal using a supported account. Once the funds are in PayPal, sending money is easy. Just tap Send and Request, enter the recipient's email or PayPal ID, type the amount, choose your payment method, and confirm.